Ever wondered how to achieve that diamond-like glow right at the comfort of your home? Today, we dive into a step-by-step guide on how to do a diamond facial at home using natural ingredients. All you'll need are some common household items: raw milk, honey, coffee, sugar, a tomato, rice flour, curd, lemon juice, and of course, a moisturizer. If you don't have a moisturizer on hand, not to worry, aloe vera gel will do the trick. We kick off with step 1, cleaning. Grab a bowl and mix in 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw milk and 2 teaspoons of honey. Once well blended, apply this mixture to your face, gently massaging for about 5 minutes. Then, take a hot towel to clean off the mixture, and by hot towel, we mean a towel dipped in hot water. Next up, step 2, exfoliation. In a new bowl, combine 3 teaspoons of finely powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of coffee, and 2 teaspoons of tomato juice. Stir until well mixed and apply this gritty concoction to your face. Use gentle circular motions to massage it in for about 10 minutes. Once time's up, clean your face with a hot water towel. We're already halfway there. Now, on to step 3, the face pack. In yet another bowl, combine 3 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of curd, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Ensure it's well mixed before applying it to your face. Let the pack sit for about 15 minutes, then clean it off with a hot water towel. And finally, step 4, moisturizing. Apply your favorite moisturizer, or if you're without one, use aloe vera gel. And there you have it, a radiant, smooth, and bright complexion right at home. This facial not only gives you that diamond-like glow, but also helps remove dead skin from your face. Thank you for tuning into today's video. We'd love to hear about your diamond facial experience, so feel free to share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep glowing.